Welcome, I'm Bev Adams. I own an independent paper crafting business showcasing products from Stampin' Up. I sell these products and also a few items to make crafting more convenient. I have the free detailed directions for this project on my website. And all you need to do is click the link and you can print it out for yourself. I will also have links for the products that I used. And if you would like those products, you can just click those links or even the add all to the cart, and it will take you to my online store at Stampin' Up. When you get there, you can edit your cart, adding more or taking things out as you wish. You'll see where to find all of that at the end of this video, so don't worry about taking notes. It's time to put stamps, ink, and paper together. My friend Karen and I make cards. I've mentioned it before. We make cards for people in the church, people who need a little extra encouragement for one reason or another. We usually make 28 cards in just a few hours, but this month we made this card. We were a little short of time even from that, and so we really needed a quick card. This card was so quick, and I think it's lovely, and it can be used for a birthday or for a thank you or for a sympathy. And so I thought I would show it to you today. If you subscribe to my channel or my website, you will know that I haven't posted anything for the last 2 weeks. I have had COVID, and I've managed to use the couple of videos that I had already recorded to post for 2 of those weeks that I had COVID. And now I've got a lot of catching up to do and still tired. I guess I've got the post-COVID tiredness, so it's making it hard for me to catch up. So this is a perfect card for me to show you today to get back into the swing of things. I'm using Starry Sky ink, Starry Sky paper, basic white cardstock, and of course a white envelope. I'm using Marvelous Nature, which does all the work for you. And I made it with this. You could make the same card with maybe green colors instead of our Starry Sky. And you could use any one of these greetings or another greeting that you might have. I am making it on the horizontal or landscape mode, and for this greeting, it's smaller. I'm going to try it with You're Marvelous. It's a little bit longer, so I'm going to start out with that one today, and I'm going to start out about a 1/2 inch up and try and get it as straight as I can, but I want it, because this is larger, I went all the way over to the right side. This one I started with the bird stamp. And it was because the greeting was smaller, it was easy for me to kind of center it back in. And this is a big stamp. It's almost, in fact, I think I will turn it upside down and bring the ink to the stamp instead of the other way around. And so I'm going to make sure that I get it centered top to bottom and don't overlap here. And it looks like this tail feather is going to be touching the edge just a little bit. And I want to have the bottom of the rectangle pretty much even with the words. So about there. When Karen and I made it, we used our Stamparatus and used these 2 stamps and stamped them all at the same time. We didn't do anything to the inside, and we were looking at that thinking, well, we really should be doing something else. Maybe at least putting dimensionals here to pop this up. Maybe using some ribbon or some gems or something. But honestly, we thought it was just gorgeous just the way it is. So I'm going to just put it on my card base. I didn't do anything to the inside at all. Just left it blank. You could certainly add a little strip of the cardstock, or you could emboss a couple of lines on here just with the scoring blade on your trimmer. But that's it. Done. Here is the web address for this project, where you'll find the free detailed directions and links for the products I used. Just click the links and you'll be taken to my online store at Stampin' Up! Click Home near the top of my page and you'll find lots of resources. Under Shop, you can find the products I offer to make crafting more convenient, how to get free products with my frequent shopper rewards, and a link to my online store at Stampin' Up! Click Inspiration to scroll all my projects back to 2011, most with detailed directions and videos. Though the products in those older projects have been retired, you may find techniques, layouts, or color combinations to inspire you today. If you're new to stamping, you might want to look at the basics. You'll find how to cut card bases and layers, and some of my favorite tools. Under Organization, you'll find lots of free resources such as catalog tabs, labels and case inserts, color tools, and much more. More organization means more time for stamping. You can learn about my Evernote notebook. I have a note for every current product that Stampin' Up! Has for sale right now. It really makes finding just exactly what you want very easy. And you can create your own notebook and search through all of the things that you own to find just what you need. Come stamp with me here in Ventura County, California, or get the best deal of all and join my team of crafters. The team is called SIP Together, and it stands for Stamps, Ink, and Paper Together. Be sure to subscribe to my website and on my YouTube channel. I'd love to hear your comments. Thanks for joining me. Talk to you soon.